you struggling with pain at your desk? Do you have a sore neck, shoulders, or suffer headaches? If this is you, then stick around, because I've got 5 ways to adjust your desk to reduce pain and get you through your day in comfort. I'm Jess Harvey, Osteopath and Director here at Head to Toe Health. Thanks for joining me. So many of the patients I see for the first time have not thought much about their desk setup. And this has been a big issue we're seeing at the clinic, especially with so many people now working from home. They've got headaches, they've got a sore neck, shoulders, repetitive strain injuries in their shoulder, elbow or wrist, or they're just feeling so damn uncomfortable that it's affecting their productivity and then their home life after they finish work and on the weekends. When they make these top 5 changes to their workstation, then away they go. It makes a world of difference to them, and they often feel so much better and they'd be well on the way to being pain-free. So let's talk about the 5 top adjustments to your desk. Number 1, create sit-stand options at your desk. Alternate between sitting and standing regularly throughout the day. This gets you moving and prevents stagnation. Standing allows you to move more as you're working. It increases blood flow and gets your muscles and joints moving, which lubricates your joints and reduces inflammation. It also takes the pressure off the lower back and reduces tightening and shortening of the psoas muscle, one of the main hip flexor muscles that's often tight in those who sit for hours at a time. Number 2, bring your mouse and keyboard to the edge of the desk. This will help you to keep your elbows beside your body rather than out in front of you, where you can strain your shoulder or ribs and overuse the infamous trapezius muscles, causing headaches, neck pain and tension over the shoulders that patients often describe to us. So tip number 3, set your chair height. Adjust your chair so that your knees are over your ankles and they're placed at or just below your hip height. Ideally, your feet should be flat on the floor. Number 4, set your desk height if it's adjustable. Your desk height is best placed just below your elbows so that when you rest your hands onto the desk, they're slightly lower than the elbows. Given your elbows are beside your body, you can use this as a guide for your desk height. If your desk height isn't adjustable, you may need to bring your chair up to the point where your elbows are at desk height. In this case, you may need a footstool to keep your feet flat and maintain your hip and knee angles. Number 5 is your final height adjustment. This is to set your computer monitor height so that your eye line is at the top 1/3 of your computer monitor. For those using a laptop, this means using an external mouse or keyboard and placing your laptop on a set of drawers or a box or even some books to raise the screen to the ideal height. So there's my 5 tips to improve your workstation for a more comfortable day at work. Number 1, find a way to mix sitting and standing. Secondly, change your mouse and keyboard positioning. Number 3, adjust your chair height. And 4, find your ideal desk height. And then finally, adjust your monitor. If any of those tips that I taught you really resonated with you, or if you have any further questions on how to implement these changes, then leave a question in the comments or message me and I can help you further with getting your workstation set up in a way that can support you at your desk. So this has been Jess from Head to Toe Health. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you apply some or all of these tips to your workstation. Your body will thank you for it. There are also many quick, effective, easy exercises on our website and our video library for you to check out to help you stay comfortable at your desk. I'm really keen to get this information out there and help you with your workday. Take care, everyone.